Shannon has watched all of our more than 300 videos that we made, and there's one that she really enjoyed. The one that we featured, a self-laundry machine. You see, my nan used to work at a laundry place back in the UK in the 80s. It was really hard work, but she really enjoyed her job. So this video is dedicated to her. Even today, she talks about her days at that laundry place. Here's a picture of her. In Malaysia, the self-laundry places are very popular. I'm going to show you how they work. First, we need to get some tokens. We're going to put 10 ringgits in, as it's 6 to wash and 4 to dry. So give me... Got 10 tokens. Wait 26 minutes. You don't need to add any detergent or softener, as this is already included in the price. We went for this option, the cold, that's only 6 ringgit, and the capacity is 14 kilos, and then we're gonna dry for 4 ringgit. As you can see, it gets quite busy. These places are open 24 hours, so you can do your laundry at any time of the day, 7 days a week. It's 24/7. Most people now own a washing machine at home, but why do they still use these places? Well, you can do bigger loads, it's economical, as you've got detergent and softener, everything is included. And some people work in different cities, or they study in other parts of the country, and they don't want to take their dirty laundry back home for their mother or wife to do the laundry, so they do it themselves in these places. It's just convenient, really. And while you wait for your clothes to wash, you can use their public Wi-Fi. Well, you wouldn't expect that from a self-laundry place, would you? Let's see the internet speeds. 30 megabytes per second. It's pretty good. it's time to pack as we are leaving first thing in the morning. We got a flight to Indonesia. So these self-laundry places are just very convenient for travelers like us.
Yes.
We got our clothes smelling good.
Yeah. And before, I don't remember seeing them here in Langkawi, which is very, very useful, especially because Langkawi has a lot of travelers coming and going, so it's very, very useful, and you see them now all over the place, so I approve.
Okay, let's get ready because we still have a few things to pack. Hope you guys enjoyed this kind of weird, it was a bit awkward filming them, not gonna lie, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And my nan, 100% she's gonna love this. Thank you so much for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and we shall see you on the next one in Indonesia. Bye!